All right, so this is really a set of eyeglasses that have an interchangeable magnification. So basically you can have this in front of you and you'll be able to see a lot better with these than, you would without your glasses. So single plate lenses are 1x, 1.5x, 2x, 2.5, and 3.5x. Magnifications are marked in the middle of the lens. Definitely, I thought this was really cool, something that could be helpful to a lot of people. It does have 2 LED lights on the front to give you some better light. Not certain if it comes with everything. So eyeglasses, bracket, and headband interchangeable magnification with 2 LEDs. So yeah, mechanical repair, painting, sewing clothes, some of the reasons you would use one. Some features over here. It does need 3 AAA batteries for the lights to work, so that part's, good to know. I'll let you know if it comes with them. It's also good for handcrafting, preparation of flowers, and book reading, and more features here. So let's go ahead and open this on up, see exactly what we're working with here. So we got a little instruction manual. That's always good to see. And then here is the lenses for that. Wow, see, that's what it means. So all of the, like that's a 3.5. It's all in these top little spots that you would grab from to be able to see better. So this could definitely help somebody out who maybe is doing something where they don't have a lot of room and they need to see up close. Very nice, and it's just got nice packaging. Got a little cleaning cloth, and then this looks to be, even has a strap for you. And that's it for the box. So this looks to be the actual little glasses. So yeah, you just pull your lens out and slide it in here. That turns on and off your LED lights, which the batteries for said LED lights go inside of here. So you can see you get 3 AAA batteries in there, and then you can use these 2 LEDs on the front. That's kind of this product. Very, very nice. Let me throw on one of these. Do the smallest one. And so let's see, this just kind of, clips right into place. And then you would wear this, your nose would go right in here. Yeah, so it curves more to your eyes. But yeah, that's very, very neat. I could see this being very handy for just people with maybe not bad eyes, but again, trying to do something like sewing or maybe even reading where they want to be able to see things bigger. And then you can't beat an LED light if you add the batteries in. So 3 AAA batteries and you're all set. So that should do it for this interchangeable magnifier eyeglass set.